A red apple, shiny and bright. A blue balloon, floating in the sky. A green frog, jumping on the lily pad. A yellow sun, glowing in the daytime. A purple butterfly, dancing on flowers. A pink cupcake, with sprinkles on top. A brown dog, wagging its fluffy tail. A white cloud, drifting slowly above. A black cat, resting in the sun. A orange carrot, crunchy and fresh. A red bus, zooming down the street. A blue boat, sailing on the lake. A green leaf, rustling in the wind. A yellow star, twinkling at night. A purple grape, sweet and juicy. A pink flower, blooming in spring. A brown bear, fishing in a stream. A white snowflake, gently falling down. A black key, opening a hidden door. A orange pumpkin, round and big. A red circle, perfect and smooth. A blue square, solid and stable. A green triangle, pointing to the sky. A yellow rectangle, long and straight. A purple oval, curved and lovely. A pink heart, full of kindness. A brown cube, resting on the table. A white star, shining so bright. A black triangle, sharp and bold. A orange hexagon, with 6 sides. A red star, bright against the blue. A green diamond, sparkling in the light. A yellow pentagon, with 5 points. A purple zigzag, twisty and fun. A pink swirl, mixing colors together. A brown spiral, winding and turning. A vibrant rainbow, arching across the sky. A shiny sticker, stuck on a paper. Pinky Pickles lives on Sticker Street. It is colorful and filled with fun. There are shops with stickers everywhere. Friends visit to collect bright stickers. Pinky loves patterns, simple and neat. There are flowers along the pathways. A bridge made of candy over a stream. Birds sing sweet songs in the trees. A fountain sparkles in the center square. Pinky walks with her friend, Benny. Benny is cheerful, with a big smile. They find a map with a treasure mark. The treasure is a special sticker set. Pinky and Benny skip happily together. They want to collect all the stickers. Stickers with fun patterns and colors. Pinky sees stripes, dots, and stars. Benny points to a big rainbow sticker. They decide to search for it first. A friendly shopkeeper waves hello. Can we help you find a sticker? Pinky and Benny say, yes, please. They look at patterns on colorful stickers. They see dotted patterns, bright and fun. They count the stickers on the shelf. 1, 2, 3, and many more. Pinky loves spirals and Benny loves stripes. They choose stickers with their favorites. They thank the shopkeeper kindly. They step outside into the warm sun. Pinky says, let's find more stickers. They walk down the street together. Pinky shares her rainbow stickers. Benny smiles and says, thank you. They see a bus with colorful designs. Look at the patterns on that bus. They wave to the friendly driver. They spot a tree with green leaves. Let's sit and plan our next stop. They find a bench to sit on. They open their sticker books with joy. Pinky shows Benny a shiny star sticker. Benny laughs, that one is beautiful. They share their favorite patterns aloud. Please pass the sticker book, Benny. Benny waits patiently while Pinky looks. Thank you for sharing, Pinky. They decide to work as a team. Let's find stickers together, says Benny. They walk to a big colorful sign. The sign points to the next sticker shop. They giggle as they walk hand in hand. They discover a shop with animal stickers. Look at that cute cat sticker, says Pinky. Wow, let's get one. Benny agrees. They pick a sticker and say, please. They thank the shopkeeper again. They can't wait to show their friends. At last, they spot a shiny rainbow. It's even brighter than they imagined. Together, they cheer with excitement. They wave goodbye to the sticker shop. They head back home with their treasures. It's been a fun day, says Pinky happily. Benny smiles, let's do it again soon. They skip along Sticker Street. The sun sets, painting the sky warm orange. Home feels cozy with their stickers. Pinky and Benny share a hug. Goodbye, until next time, they say. Sticker Street is always full of fun.